Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English for daily use. First, focus on building a strong foundation. Start by understanding basic grammar and sentence structures. Dedicate time to learning the 1,000 most common English words, which make up about 90% of everyday conversations. Practice pronouncing these words and simple phrases to build your confidence from day one. Next, immerse yourself in the language every single day. Listen to English podcasts, music, or watch short videos for at least 30 minutes. Reading simple English texts, such as news articles or short stories, will also greatly expand your understanding. Challenge yourself to think in English for 5 to 10 minutes each morning to internalize the language. To truly become fluent, you need to continuously build your word bank. Actively learn new vocabulary, focusing on how words are used in different contexts. Keep a dedicated notebook to jot down new words, useful phrases, and example sentences. Additionally, find a language partner and commit to practicing speaking for at least 15 minutes, 3 times a week. Finally, the most crucial step is to practice in real-life situations. Don't shy away from engaging in conversations, even if you feel nervous or make mistakes. Use English for everyday tasks, like ordering food or asking for directions, whenever possible. Remember, it's perfectly fine to ask for clarification if you don't understand something. This shows you are actively learning.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.